Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good morning, dignitaries. We are team armors from the Guntur, our college is Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am the team mentor and my name is Vikram, and he is the team lead Rupesh and Pradeep, second member, and Sai Bhaskar, third member. Our problem statement is about smart helmet. It is a smart helmet. It is used in the coal mines.
This is our title of the project, IoT based coal mine monitoring and alerting system. It is firstly denoted by the IoT, but we came to establish as the LoRa module. So using LoRa module, in India, there is so much of communication distance is a main problem. So we came with the LoRa module in the next version also.
So, as mining workers who are going into the mine, there is a high chance of getting respiratory diseases for them. So, that's one problem we are facing in mining industries. And the other problem is the people who are organizing that means survey committee, which will manage the whole a person's conditions or body conditions when it is an underground condition. It is hard to hard to communicate also for long range distance. And the other problem is it's hard to monitor underground. We can manage or we can do anything in the outside of the mining, but it's underground, it's hard to monitor. So for that, one solution is our project. We have come across our project will alert. First, it will detect the harmful gases, and next it alert the people to get out of the particular place. And next, I said recently, we'll monitor, and here we will monitor through IoT platform.
The solution to the problem is the team has developed a smart helmet using ESP30S microcontroller and LoRa module and some different sensors. So there will be a central monitoring system there, and the worker who is going to the mine will wear the helmet, and it will contain the smart equipment designed by our team. Everything will be monitored in that system. So if there are any harmful gases detected, we will alert that particular worker through through alerting system.
So compared to the previous products, already some of the companies, compared to 10 of the most companies are working in these products also. So compared to the old products and new product we had been established, this previous product consists of all the elements on the helmet as it is, like this. They will place on this helmet, and the feeling of uncomfortable for the miners also. So we had came with an idea, the separation of this block. It had been separated while if the workers, in case of they are going into 5 meters, it is not a problem. So they will separate the hardware part, and they will use the normal helmet. So in case of workers are going to depth of 50 meters or 60 meters, they will place the hardware part, and they can use similarly also.
So our product will benefit to the government of mines, and this product is launched so that we can ensure that the safety of mining people also increases.
Now, according to the market opportunity, we are having lack of central monitoring system in our country. So some of the mines are having big electric system, but it is not useful for the inside the mine. So by our project, we can go inside and we can do the work peacefully, and we can protect the miners inside the coal mines. But if the person or a group of people are stuck into the mine, if the one person or the group of people press a panic switch, the information is sent into the outside of the mine, which they are having the monitoring person who is seeing the person's health, like is health beat, or the inside the mine they are having some carbon monoxide or hydrogen monoxide, some of the harmful gases which are not useful to breathe. So that's what we came to our project, that by using some of the sensors they can detect. Then if they are inside the mine, the electric system presses the button, then the buzzer sounds comes in the helmet. So the person or the group of people who are inside the mine, they come outside and they will be safe.
So the particular technology we had been used is first we came with an idea of this particular coal mine people or recently the Jharkhand people are being struck in the mine. No? So we came with an idea before the going to SIH. So we had been came with an idea. First, the roadmap we had been planned is within the four destinations as well. So first, idea and innovation. We had been taken the without any hardware part and any help. We had been established an idea and a structure. Next, we came with an designing. So we had been searched for the other PCB monitoring elements or any industries. We had been contacted. At the final also, we had only designed it. The board and other elements also. Even all our teams had been designed the complete PCB designing. So coming to the market analysis, so we are finally a BTech, we don't know that much market, but we had been just in the percent of 100%, we are just at 10%, how we can calculate at the market. So we can plan these product into the minus who are facing these heart problems and respiratory problems, lungs problems because of harmful gases. And some of the Jharkhand issue is about the communication. They are stuck inside and without in that some cases also they did not have a oxygen supply to. So we came with an idea in this establishment of another level of ingredient. We can add this oxygen cylinder to this helmet only inside the helmet with the hardware separation part. So this is the TRL of our basic steps. Totally we had been designed into 9 steps. So this product, before going to this product, we had been read so much research parts and we had collected the newspapers and previous cases also. So the final products are these 3 pictures. So competitive landscape. Comparing to the previous products, before I had been told about the 10 popular companies are been established in the coal mine industry. So we had been taken some of the graphs included also, but we did not mention the name. Compared to the old technology, they did not even use the SMT technology. They had been established on the zero boards and normal PCBs. We came with an establishment of SMT technology. This is an advanced technology. We can implement into the VLSA design also. These are the ratings compared to the top 5 companies we had been taken and our company rating. So before came to the market, we had taken the product into Sangrani coal. We had been taken one person and we had been continuously monitored for 5 hours whether he had been sustained or not, and the readings are also displayed. So these are the ratings as compared to the futures. Product quality and pricing, safety, compared to the communication. Communication, they had been used just of IoT or a basic structure of RF technology, radio frequency technology. We had been came to long range radio communication.
This is the lean canvas which are used. This lean canvas can tell us, can express our ideas into the business model, and it gives us complete data analysis of our product, which we can see in the perspective of business. This value proposition canvas, this the gains of the customer is he can alert or he can ensure the safety and identifying the gases, and we will also give health insurance with this project, and we are implementing advanced technology.
Now, according to the business model, we are talking about in this market, we are showing about the product sales of the product. Where, if we are releasing this product into the market, now we are showing about the product sales, how we get the revenue from our product. Now you can see that even the product sales, if we sell the product, we can get some of the amount as a revenue. And the e-commerce websites, if we sell this product in an e-commerce website like the Amazon or the Flipkart or any other companies, we can get some of the revenue by selling, keeping a percentage of 10 to 20% of the market share by selling this on the e-commerce website. But as we know that if the investors of some of the companies come here and ask our product, we will show about the main thing and the hardware thing, and mainly we are showing about the communication system, which was showing in this.
Any doubts?
So I have 3 questions for you. First one is it necessary the device has to be in the helmet?
Yes.
Because you mentioned the previous products, it was inconvenience to the users. And now you have added something more to it. Why can't it be some device which they can carry elsewhere?
Sir,
Why only helmet? Is there any specific reason for that?
I will give you 2 examples. If we keep the product in the hand or the arm, the miners are doing with the heavy work of only with hands.
What about here and backside or somewhere?
I think it might be some complicated if they
Because
see,
head
sir.
also will be in constant.
That, sir, our company will be customizable, sir. If the customer wants the helmet or the inside, we can do the customization, sir. So
My
that's what.
question is why helmet? Why not other areas?
We had been using the body, no sir. The temperature of the body sometimes it will be in a hot and a cold. No, sir. That will impact the product also when we are using these sensors. So,
Even
so
if it is in the head, the same thing will happen, right?
it will be the outer layout of the helmet, no ma'am. It will be controlled in the room temperature or a mine temperature.
So can't you make the body of that equipment such that it can eliminate the body temperature also?
If we implement using the SMT technology, it will come on the helmet,
Outside.
outside the helmet. But you know, sir, you know, you already know SMT technology, so it will come as just a small board. So it's not a bulky thing.
Okay. Can you tell me the sensor that is used in this?
Yeah, sir. First, coming to the microcontrollers, we had been used to ESP32S and LoRa V3 module for communication, and coming to the sensors, DHT11 for prototype, DHT11 and gas sensors MQ2, MQ135, MQ7, and we had been used the heartbeat sensor also, SpO2,
Okay. So all put together, how many?
5 to 6,
5 or 6?
5 sensors.
So have you designed it or you got it from somewhere?
No, sir, I had only designed.
You have designed
Yes,
it?
sir.
It's new design because we have IPR attorney sitting here. Okay, then the last third question is, you have not mentioned about the cost. Have you compared the cost of your product with the existing products?
We are making it in around of 1300, sir.
Okay, it's costing you 1300 or you are going to sell it for 1300?
We are going to sell it in the 1300.
Okay, making cost?
Making cost will be in around 500, sir.
That's it.
That's it.
And why so much of margin?
Whole helmet and that chip you're putting,
Yeah, ma'am.
with
SMT
the helmet, it's going to be just 500?
Yes, ma'am.
But there is a difference between innovation and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, you have to speak in numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's it from my side. Ma'am, you can.
So what are they using at present for this? What is the alternative right now?
Rescue team is there, no ma'am. Rescue
No,
team.
how do they identify that these gases are there right now? How are they doing without your equipment?
In most of the coal
Okay.
mines, there will be a central buzzer system. If there is any smoke or something, there is that central buzzer system. That there will be a one central buzzer, and if the worker press that buzzer, the central buzzer system will be in high alert. They will continue to monitor. Some person will be there, and there is a app will be there.
So the difference is that is a thing for the entire mine. This is for monitoring each person's, tracking each person's vitals.
Yes, and in some coal mines there is no central buzzer systems. In most of the in India, private coal mines there will be no central. And we have studied in some papers and we have studied in the news.
And these sensors are, sorry, again I'm asking this question, tracking what?
So, sir, we had been connected to IoT, no, sir. The monitoring person will give a signal. So, if the person is in 10 meters, the 11th meter is a harmful gas present. For example, carbon monoxide. The percentage of the sensor detects, and the monitor person will get an indication. Or else, we had been kept an option of LoRa display in the module itself.
What is the sensor tracking? The oxygen level, the
Methane
blood pressure level? What
So particularly we had been used MQ2 sensor. MQ2 is a carbon monoxide and MQ7 is a methane. MQ135 is a
So composition of gas in the
methane and
Using different sensors or one?
so my question here is, when people go for these kind of things, even when radiation and other things are there, they always have a monitor which tracks all this. So my question is, I mean, what is new in this? The same things can be retuned, just that it's being put in a helmet.
But compared to those we had been studied somewhat, ma'am, they are using the basic microcontroller, not the advanced technology, and they had been failed in that situations also. The cost of the product or the cost of the monitoring system also will be in 3,000 to 5,000, and we are keeping it just margin, with the margin only we are keeping 1,300 only.
And so your market is going to be, you're going to sell it to mine owners to give it to their miners? What's your model? B2B or business to business or B2C?
who are your customers, who are your consumers?
The basic customers we will go to the Ministry of Mining or the private mining industry. We will take our product with them, with us, and we will explain our product, and if at all they want to test it, they can test it for at least 1 month.
So you're selling it to the
Businesses. And
So
the
they can
consumers are the workers who are working in that mining industry.
You showed one table of actually ranking between companies.
Yes, yes.
So, who are those companies?
And
What
who
are their
did the
products?
ranking?
And what is the basis of ranking?
So companies are Microtronics Innovation Private Limited. Those are manufacturing in India only, and they are selling, but the startup had been failed.
What is their product?
Same, sir, same smart helmet, but they had been constructed with the basic microcontroller inbuilt with the smart helmet. So that happened.
They are also sensing gases?
Yeah, sir,
It's
but
for the same purpose?
they did not give any alerts, and these insurances on all other elements.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.